In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly delete a row in a spreadsheet using just a few simple shortcuts. Whether you're on Windows, Chromebook, or a Mac, this method will help streamline your data management processes and ensure you can make adjustments efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, we need to start by selecting the row that you want to delete. To do this, navigate to the row number on the far left side of your spreadsheet. Simply click on that row number. This action selects the entire row, ensuring that it's highlighted and ready for the next steps. Selecting the entire row is crucial, as the shortcut we'll use later can only function properly when the whole row is chosen. If you try to use the shortcut without selecting the entire row, it won't work. So be sure you've highlighted it correctly. Now that you've got your row highlighted, there's a slightly different method depending on the device you're using. Let's start with Windows and Chromebook users. Once your row is selected, you're going to press a combination of keys. Hold down the Ctrl key, the Alt key, and then tap the minus sign key, depicted as a small dash or hyphen. Remember, they need to be pressed simultaneously. This little shortcut will delete the row you've selected on your spreadsheet. It's simple but very effective, trimming down the need for excessive clicking and navigating through menus. For those of you working on a Mac, this method is just as straightforward. After you've selected the specific row you wish to remove, press down on the Command key, the Option key, and then the same minus sign key. The process is essentially the same as in Windows and Chromebook, leveraging similar keystrokes to achieve a clean deletion without any hassle. And there you have it, folks. A seamless way to enhance your workflow by using these straightforward shortcuts. A quick note, though. Remember that this shortcut deletes the entire row, so it's always a good idea to double-check the data you're removing. You wouldn't want to lose any important information by mistake. By incorporating these shortcuts into your regular spreadsheet routine, you'll notice a definite increase in your productivity and a decrease in the time spent on mundane tasks. With practice, it'll become second nature, allowing you to focus on more significant aspects of your work or analysis. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. If you want more insights or tips on managing spreadsheets or other tools, be sure to check out our other videos, where we dive into a variety of topics to boost your tech-savvy skills. See you next time.